see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Yeah.
Tia, money cuidado.
Yeah.
See you, kuya.
Love you, ba?
Love you. Good luck. Yeah.
하잖아.
Me.
Sama.
See you. Love you.
I woke up in the middle of the night. Na, na, na. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na, na, na. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah.
Clear here, Han. Good afternoon, 12:19 na ng tanghali. Tagal ko hindi na proper talaga. Matagal ko hindi nakapag-vlog. Ang last vlog ko ata is nung nagdig para magtanim kami ng trees. Yun yata yung last proper vlog ko. Then after that, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi na-busy din ako sa bahay tsaka kay Holly. Lagi akong nasa town. And si Jan, marami nang nagawa sa farm. As in, madami na. Mayroon na tayong puno. And then, may ilaw na din. Siguro insert ko yung mga clips na paunti-unti. Kasi hindi tayo nag-vlog kasi ang dami ko pang ini-edit. So, ayoko ma-stress. Sabi ko, pag naayos na lang yung pag okay na yung farm, like may ilaw na, may puno na, tapos si Jan, nag-shopping na siya ng TV, ng ref para doon. So, nandun na, naka-install na lahat. Tapos kahapon, yung ginawa namin is, yung nagluto ako doon for the first time. Tapos, in-invite namin yung pamangkin niya, yung si BJ. Doon siya nag-dinner sa amin kasi nagluto akong pansit. So, i-insert ko yun lahat. Kasi ito namang asawa ko, alam niyo naman yan, hindi talaga siya mag-vlog. And wala. So every time may ginagawa siya doon, wala rin ako sa farm kasi nga nasa ako lagi din, nasa town din ako. May grocery, may doctor appointment ako, tapos si Holly, yeah. So kaya wala ako masyadong na-film sa farm nung ginagawa or tinatanim yung puno. Makikita niyo na lang 'yon.
Say that bush farm. What is that reckon it is?
Chemist King. Yeah. No, it's closed. What's the sa Monday, holiday kasi ngayon, gusto namin mag-barbecue. And today, yun nga, nagharap kaming butcher kasi gusto nito mag-barbecue. Ang tagal niya yung gusto mag-barbecue. Kaso nga, dito, holiday, Monday na, is still public holiday. And wala rin pasok mga bata. Bukas ulit ang start ng school. Then kahapon, may kita nyo na lang yung ginawa ko kahapon. Nag-weed ako doon sa mga puno. Is this gonna be like that, babe? Red? Like that. Wala kaming mahanap na butcher na bukas kasi nga public holiday. Dito tayo sa Mount Gambier Marketplace kasi malapit doon sa Wolves merong butcher. Hopefully open sila. Pero tinignan ko naman open sila kahapon. Kasi kahapon pa niya gusto mag-barbecue. Kasi kung wala tayong mabibilang kasi sarado. Kung magpansit tayo, meron akong pork belly. Nagpansit kami and then spring rolls. Mamaya meron pa akong babalutin na spring rolls. Pagpapatuloy ko yun. Dinala ko sa farm. Yung yung spring rolls. Yung meat. May tatawagan lang muna to si Johnny Boy.
Trackies Wolves? Huh? I'll give you $20 by Trackies.
Okay. Magkaaway sila ng daddy. Nagtatampo yung girl.
What do you reckon?
Meron silang father and daughter tampuhan. Why did you borrow money from her or Zach? Is that
Zach borrowed money.
Oh, Zachary borrow money, not daddy. Are you asking daddy for money? Or what? Okay, tell mommy what happened. Pagdating ko sa car, ang saya pa nila kanina. Nagjo-joke-joke sila. Tapos pagsakay namin ni Kuya, sabi ni Kuya, what's wrong with you, Holly? You're so angry. You look so angry. Tapos tinuro niya si daddy niya.
You can go in a big W and go to the Trackies. Get some Trackies, I'll make you in there.
You're right, Baba. Let's go to Big W now. Come on, daddy said we can go to Big W. So, and, alam niyo ba, sandali lang, kwento ko lang sa inyo saglit. Di ba nag-Renmark kami nung birthday ko? Naalala nyo, meron ako yung yellow, yung moth na yellow na linalagay ko dito na stand. Hindi ko na siya makita. Last time na nakita ko siya, Renmark kami. So, hindi ko mahanap kung saan. Tapos sabi ni Jan, wala raw akong naiwan sa Renmark. Sabi ko, kung wala akong naiwan sa Renmark, nasaan siya? So, wala. Hindi ko alam. So, ngayon, eto, yung in-order ko to sa Lazada, nung nag-haul ako ng aking mga nabili sa TikTok, sa Lazada, isa to. Inaalala ko siya, sabi ko, oh my God, meron mo pala akong isa. So, eto siya guys. Tapos eto, nakita ko siya, ay, oo nga pala, meron ako nito. So, ngayon, i-unbox ko to sa inyo. Ayan siya guys. Sa mga nagtatanong guys, sa Lazada ko to na nabili. Eto, pero yung yellow, dito ko yung nabili. Kaso, nawala na natin. Do you remember, Baba, how to open this? Ganito na lang. Diba? Ang pangit natin mag-unboxing. Na-unbox ko na to before. Diba? So, sikan lang sila. Ganyan lang pala. Ayan. Unbox natin. Oh, ang ganda ng kulay. Ayan. Parang red-orange. Ayan. Moth po ang kanyang brand. Oh. Ayan. So, parang hindi na ako wala na siya na-miss ko yung yellow. Maganda rin yung yellow. Eto, kinuha ko to kasi medyo close sila yung kulay niya dito sa aking Casetify. Ayan. Okay. Let's go, Baba. Tapos, meron din siyang pandikit sa likod. Yung sticker, pero hindi ko naman kailangan. Ilagay ko to dito. Just in case, one day, kailangan natin yan. Kasi ito, itapon na natin. Okay, come on, Baba. Let's go. So, dito na kami sa Big W. Hanap tayo ng Trackies ni Holly. Palang outfitan niya. Pero kayo naka-pink. Nag-twinning siya sa akin. Nakita niya ako naka-pink. Nag-pink din siya. Pinaparap siya ng Trackies ng daddy niya. Kasi nga, pag pumunta siyang farm, lagi siya naka-jeans. Yung mga Trackies niya kasi, bitin na sa kanya. Bilis kaya lumaki ng mga bata ngayon, Diyos ko. Kasi wala naman masyado dito. You know what, Baba? We can just find it online. Is daddy here? No, nasa phone pa si Jan eh. Ito na daddy.
Only oldies. And that's the whole point. You have eight old Trackies so you can get dirty in them.
Yeah, go, Papa.
Pick some out. Pick 3.
Get
And you got black?
Huh?
What size am I?
8 or 9. I'll get 10, Baba. Get 10.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. Haven't got it. Joke.
Mura lang naman, oh. $8.
What is that?
She doesn't want all the...
Here's 7. They'll fit you. Easy.
8? Maybe 8? Oh, okay.
7 will fit her.
Okay. Just for working, Baba.
Just work.
Just working.
7.
Get 8, babe, because
Nice.
no 8.
Yeah, that'll fit up. Look. Yeah. Heaps of room. Just looking for a different size. They're all 7s.
All 7. Yeah.
They don't have any matching ones.
Yellow, yeah. Find 7 or 8. Oh no, there's no 8. You have to try it,
I
Baba.
already have.
Try that one.
Try it.
No,
Put it
that
on,
one.
Baba.
Just saving it. Show you the small.
Yeah, it's small. Small baby.
Yeah, it's
Maybe
that'll
8.
fit up. These-
Maybe just truck is Baba. Don't worry about jumper. Here, maybe we can find jumper here. Here, Baba, oh. Baba, here. Meron $15. Pero wala namang truck, is jumper lang. Not white, baby.
No, I want
Reckon
this.
I'll fit you up to it. Sorry.
No, just find it here, hon. Here, Baba. Oh, here, honey. Here na lang. Size 8. That one is gonna be short. Not long. Dito na lang, Baba. Oh.
Huh?
Yeah, it doesn't. Wow, Filipino ta. This one, 8.
Oh, good.
Try. So, ibabalik niya yung una nating nakuha ang tiga $8. Eto, dito tayo sa
Yeah, it fits.
20. This is $25, Baba. It fits. Can you try? You have...
No,
Yeah, just
it's
try it.
full.
Yeah, you have your...
See?
Remove it. Remove. Na lang yung suot niya is may legging siya.
Yeah, it fits.
Go show daddy. Show daddy.
That says 12.
It's alright. The big jumper is
No
alright.
jumper.
Have you got trackies?
Yeah. There's no jumper.
How many? I got a tracking jumper, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yes. How many trackies you got? 3.
Okay. Ayan na yung kanyang pang-farm. Hindi namin kinuha yung tiga $8. Kasi sobrang malit naman yun sa kanya. Akala kasi namin wala na siyang makikita. Meron doon. Yung tiga 25. Meron siyang 2 nakuha. Tapos yung iba, $10 yung jumper. Thank you. Wow. Oh, here's your bag. Okay, punta na tayo ng butcher dito sa marketplace. Dito sa corner, meron dito. See, open hand? Oh, close. Bev. It's closed. Kahapon, sabi open, pero depende raw saan. It's closed. Dito kami sa Woolies. Ayan, may mga nakuha na kaming meat.
Where's that one?
Ito pa yung mga nakuha namin. Hinanap namin si Jan. Pumunta siya sa mga fly spray. Ay, hinahanap ni Holly. Kumuha kami ng paper towel. Isa sa bahay and isa sa shed. Ang ingay ng cart namin. Tapos na tayo mag-grocery. Ayan si Johnny. Punta siya sa Bunnings. Edo, where you going?
Melty.
Gusto niya mag-melt. Meron dito. May nakita siya. Dito. Master Jojo's. So, parang bago lang to dito. Kasi ngayon ko lang to nakita. This is new, no? Ayan, Master Jojo's. Asian Rose and Bubble Tea. Meron din sila mga Asian na luto. Ayan na yung kanyang brown sugar. Good? Okay. Ito yung akin. Large sa ako sa kanya regular. Ayun na rin si Jan. So, tapos niya lang din mag-bunny. So, ano naman binili nito? What you got? What's that for?
I'm walking floor, big one. That was the point walking bathroom.
Bathroom. And ayan na yung aking
Mini shovel.
mini shovel. Kasi nga nagwiwid ako dun sa mga trees. So kailangan ko yan. Uwi na tayo. What Daddy said about the Milky Baba.
He tried it and then he spat all the bobas out.
And what he said about the boba.
There's bugs in there.
Try ni Jan.
That's the best bit.
Inano niya, niluwa niya agad-agad. Tapos yung pangit ng kanyang mukha. This is our first milk tea here in the mount, right, Baba? Kasi wala. So, ngayon meron na tayong alam pag gusto namin. Not naman araw-araw. Once in a while. Kasi masarap naman. Bahay na pala kami. Kunin ko lang yung mga para dito sa bahay para hindi na namin dalhin sa farm. Okay, go through ko lang dito.
Yeah?
Oh, you gotta change now. No, that's alright for now, Baba.
You got farmers though.
Oh,
Horses.
Yeah, mother.
Baba, get me big bag there, please.
Big
Grocery bag.
big
Here,
bag.
take this in when you want.
Wait, careful on you.
Don't say that.
This one's going to the farm. This
Yeah,
one's going to the farm.
Over there, the sun.
This is going to the farm.
All that. Not
Yeah.
all that.
This one?
Yeah, but that's school tomorrow.
Oh, you're not gonna have dessert. I thought they're gonna have dessert tonight. We can bring some.
We can bring it and then bring it home.
Yeah.
What's this?
Oh, that one for the farm and one for the house.
I need a piss.
Okay. Yeah. Kanina pa siya iing-ihi. Ito sa farm kasi gusto niya magtinapa. All these fruit bags in the farm, babe? Yeah. And some of the meron ko siyang binili mga cheese dito, mga dips. So dalhin ko na lang yung tira. Gusto ko mag cheese platter. Ito sa bahay. And ito sa farm. Lahat to sa farm. You don't want me to bring this hand?
Nah.
Ito mga snacks na nila to. Bahay na to.
You got oil there?
Huh? Yeah, I got the olive oil. This one is going to the farm.
What?
Because I'm gonna have some cheese platter. Oh. Ito yung kakainin namin tonight, yung meat. Ito sa amin. Tamlay sa kamay. Okay. Yung iba Dadalhin ko na lang pag may tira. Okay, ito. Ito sa loob ng bahay. Baba your jumper here. Ito lang ilalagay ko sa bahay.
Not much writing love songs. Hell, I never even tried. With 1,000 things gone wrong, here's one thing that is right. I run back to you, and you come back to me again. Wildfires burning, and they're packing up for war. Seems
Put it in my bag so we can bring it back home. Okay, here's the honey. Put it there, next to the screen.
That's nice, thick bread cheese. Wood.
Here, baby.
That's meant to go home.
What's that? Okay. Put in my bag there.
And
And
that's meant to go home.
put in my bag now, Mama. Give this to Daddy, Bob. That's what.
Oh,
That's mine.
that's for the barbecue.
Here, Baba.
If I get that container, put all these bottles in place.
Yeah.
What container?
That one, the big one. Do you need this, Mama?
Yeah.
What was that? That what
This
container?
one, Baba, put next to your. That one goes to my garden stuff. Huh?
Them bottles?
You have to remove all the cups. You have to wash. Remove the cups, Baba. So, what? Okay. Ito ko muna kayong quick dito sa shed. So, ito na yung bago. Meron tayong ref. Yeah, nice. Ayun na yung bagong rag. Yung malaki doon sa entrance and yung malit dito sa bathroom or toilet.
That bottles and caps are in here.
So, ito yung ref. Ang brand niya is Hisense. And meron tayo ditong pa-water na. Mas maganda pa yung ref dito kaysa sa bahay. So, 4-door siya. Ito yung ref. Ayan. Dami nang nabawas dito, guys, na drinks. Kasi ilang araw na to dito. When did we get this, Han? Friday? No, not Friday. Saturday. So, yan. Nandito yung Coke. And dito, manual lang tong kinuha namin kasi wala pa kaming tubig. So, manual yung ating ice maker. So, linalagyan to ng tubig. So, kagabi, ni-refill ni Jan. So, dyan tayo kumukuha ng cold water. And, kagabi nga, sabi ko sa inyo, nag spring rolls. And meron pa akong tira na hindi namin natapos ni Holly. And, eto yung Easter eggs. Na ni Holly tsaka ni Sak. Si Kuya hindi naman naghunt. So, yan. Yan yung freezer. Ayan yung ating ice. We got lots of ice. And meron silang super duper sour. Meron siyang 3 drawers. So, ang laman yan lang. Dito walang laman sa kabila. Oh, super dupa. So, meron din siyang 3. Ayan, 3. Ah, okay. Kasi may ano siya, division siya guys. Hindi siya ano. Akala ko, fridge lang din to. So, freezer. So, malaking freezer para dito sa shed. And then, yung TV namin ay eto. So, Sony yung kinuha. Ang gusto sana namin is yung katulad sa bahay, pero walang available. So, Sony yung kinuha. Ayan. Tapos, meron din tayong speaker. Yung speaker ay JBL. Ayan, JBL. Para malakas ang kanyang sound. Nandito yung mga pag-unbox ni Johnny Boy. Wala ko nung nilagay niya to. Yan. Nung sa TV, and then yan yung sa ref, and JBL, ayan. So, eto, susunugin to, kasi ngayong buwan hindi pa pwede. So, may, ano rin kasi sila, may month kung kailan pwede magsunog ng mga gamit. Mga boxes or mga pinagputulan ng kahoy. And si Holly suot niya na yung bagong bili from Big W. Tapos nilipat dito yung ring ng basketball kasi usually 'di ba nandito yan lagi dahil may TV na tayo dito. Nilipat ni Jan yung ating yung ring ng kids. Then kung maalala nyo 'di ba yung last vlog ko yung electrician, ito yung inaayos niya. So ayun na yung box. And kung maalala nyo wala ito, ano yan, parang skeleton lang siya, parang ganito, ganyan. So nung isang araw nung isang araw, si Jan, nilagay niya yan, tsaka yung kaibigan niyang carpenter. Then, pintura ni Jan. Si Jan nagpintura. Bye-bye, stop it, please. Yung kaibigan niya naglagay ng wood, si Jan yung nagpintura. Tapos, bibili pa si Jan ng isa kasi kulang pa. Ayan, mayroon pa dyan na skeleton. Skeleton. Yung, kita pa yung, ano, yung eto ba. So, lalagyan pa yan. Yung pang spray sa flies. Kasi may mga flies. And ayan na yung 3 years or 4 years namin to nabili na ano, na clock. Na parang, what do you call this, hon? What do you call this kind of clock? Oh my God, honey. This one, what you call that, honey? Steering wheel? Yeah. Yung parang boat, ano, yan yung steering wheel. Boat steering wheel. Ayan, finally na. Install na rin din dito. So, sa Melbourne namin yan, Melbourne Market na bili. And, toilet and shower, hindi pa nag-work kasi wala pa tayong tubig. Kasi wala pa yung kakabit. And may hinihintay pa rin kasi kami na permit. Kasi kailangan may permit din. Para yung, ang tawag doon, yung poso. So, yun pa. So, wala pa. Pero may ilaw na dito sa bathroom. And toilet, ayan. Tapos, bibili kami ng mirror. Hindi pa namin nabibili, pero one day, bibili ko ng mirror. Dito, may ilalagay kami ditong sink na isa pa. So, yan. Ano pa ba?
Where do you think we should put that?
Not here, honey. Close to the food, no. Ah, that one?
Yeah, that.
So, yeah. That one? Near the food? That one?
That's not in the front. Don't come to here.
Maybe there, hon.
So you want to heat something and get over here as well.
Yung spray.
Go that way.
Yeah, not yeah. Not, yeah. Then, yung microwave. Meron tayo ditong microwave. Then, kukunin namin yung kunin namin yung oven, tsaka yung air fryer, yung dati kong air fryer, yung black, ilalagay din namin dito. Kasi yung shed dun sa bay, hindi pa tapos, wala pang nangyayari dun guys, kasi hinihintay pa namin yung order. Pero na-approve na yung building permit ng council. Ang tagal din nun, nung September pa yung guys, so ano na ngayon? September, ang tagal, basta ang tagal, maghintay ng mga permit. So, after na approve pala ng permit yung sa bay, paggawa ng shed, saka lang namin na-order yung yung shed. So, hinihintay pa namin yun na dumating. Kaya wala pa, ground zero pa dun sa bay shed. So, yan yung update dito sa loob. And, ayan, sobrang yeah, so they can smell, yeah.
What about up there though?
Oh, that smells good.
Mom, it's the same spray we got.
Yes. So yan, nilaban to ni John. Nilaban to. And yan, kinuskos, kaya malinis na yan. Then, sa labas, yung trees. Ayan. Gusto naming umulan ng umulan para madiligan ang ating puno kasi kailangan nila ng tubig. Kasi yung ginagawa namin is every 2 days or 3 days, isang bucket per tree. And hindi pa kami sure kung mabubuhay siya or sila kasi nga iba yung aming soil. Ano kami, limestone soil dito, yung may rock and yeah, mix. Kasi marami na din na ibang tao na like my farm and ilang taon na sila nagtatry na magtanim ng puno, hindi nabubuhay. So hopefully dito sa amin maging okay. So yan, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 alternate to guys. Meron tayong green na trees and then the second one is this is ash. Eto ba? Claret ash. Ayan. Ganyan siya. So, yung isang puno, like eto green, hindi yan mag-change ang color. Eto mag-change every season. Like, basta yung nakita nyo. Tapos green, then change color green, change color green. So, alternate siya. Then, dun sa malapit sa gate, mayroon tayo doon na pencil pines. May 5 doon. So yan na guys. And dito, yung mga tinanim ni Jan, naging okay na din. Nag-grow na. And naglagay kami ng fertilizer dito. Madaming fertilizer nilagay dyan. Ayan. Oh, babe! Nag-spray na naman siya. And maalala nyo, binili namin to. Kung saan nabili yung mga, yan, yung trees. Then ayan yung pines. And then, eto sa Bunnings. And eto, binili ni Jan yung solar. So, may mga solar din dito. Ayan. Solar. And then, meron din doon. May solar din doon. 2 solars sa magkabilaan. And mayroon din dito install si Jan paggabi. Ang ganda dito din. Yan, may pailaw dyan. Ayan, solar din siya. So, meron yan. In-install lahat ni Jan. Marami palibot dito sa fence. Paggabi, pakita ko sa inyo. But for now, i-put away ko muna yung ating mga pinamili. Okay, I'm gonna put it away. Sinimula na ni Johnny Bo. I can see that spray, hon. Okay. Alright.
Look at this.
The butter is here. That's my we're gonna eat this.
What's that here?
Yeah, we're gonna wrap that one. Put this one there for now. We're gonna make this plant. Don't worry about that one now. That. Proper.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away, I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough.
Way back when, before the grown-up phase, we're one best friend. It was easy going road.
Meron binili si Jan na step. Ayan. Kasi eto, naka-measure tong working station niya sa kanya. So sa akin parang nasa almost sa bubi ko na. So binili na natin ito para nagugas. Hindi mangalay sa kamay or pagluto. Kahapon, pagluto ko sakit dito kasi. Tapos eto naman, trinay ko, sobrang taas mama. Baka hanap ako na medyo mababa. But for now, okay siya. Ito, hugasan ko to. Nirinse ko lang ito kagabi. Hugasan ko siya ngayon. Ilagay ko lang muna. Meron kami dito extra mga bagong bili dito ni Jan. Yung mga containers. Binili niya para nga sa mga tulad nito. Ito, extra. Ayan. Nasabon ko na to, hindi ko lang na-rinse kagabi.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling.
Tinawagan ko yung aking... Hi, Brock! How are you?
Mitch.
I'm Mitch! Hi, Mitch! Tinawagan ko yung aking
Ma'am, sir.
rider. Okay, see you! Bye! See you later! Bye!
Roast. It's only like 4:30.
Sa bahay, wala akong mga like soda or fruit box. Dito lang. Dito lang meron sila sa ano, sa shed. Kasi may ref na. Kasi hindi na ako bumibili ng mga sugar drinks. So, yung mga bata, gusto nila lagi dito na kasi unlimited yung ano ni daddy. Pero may water din naman. Hindi ko siya bet. I don't like that taste, son. You like it?
Because it's too frizzy.
I don't like it. Maybe I should get zero, Coke Zero for me. I can drink that.
Coke what?
Zero next time.
That's the same as Coke.
No, it's not.
At least it's healthy.
Bad ko yung jacket kasi mainit. And maya-maya mag-ano na ako magra-wrap ng leftover na spring rolls. What are we gonna cook on? Are you gonna cook the sausages as well?
Okay, Mum.
No, just the steak.
Hamburgers and steak.
Ma, it's been 15
That's too
minutes.
much.
No, you have a steak and a hamburger each.
I don't
We'll
want.
eat it.
I'm just gonna have the
Riesler
steak.
will.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have steak.
What are you gonna have? I only got a hamburger for you.
Did you see that mug, Han? Babe, the mug with gravy?
You left that at home.
Did I? It's in the mug. I
No,
don't
you
think so.
left it.
I left it.
Well, if you didn't say it, why would you bring it?
I saw you leave it on the table.
On the table. No, naiwan ko yung gravy.
Actually,
Well, I've got to
not
go over Sharon.
Yeah, mag-shower naman si Jen.
sure.
And mayroon siyang
You got a
haircut.
jug?
Huh? Yeah, it's already in the jug.
Where is it?
Bench. Kitchen bench.
Mom, it's been 15 minutes, so I can.
Gusto niya na mag-wrap ng
Thank you.
spring rolls.
Thai raw.
Ready for pick-up.
On
Diba-
17th.
Dinapop namin si Kuya sa Blue Lake. Yeah, wait baby, I'll do it. Mag-wrap na kami ng spring rolls. Si Sak nag-enjoy siya sa ride. Sabi, ayan na, akin na. Lobat na kayo. Ang bilis malobat na ito. Come here. Yeah, bring that one. And then, I have leftover water there.
Leftover?
Hinubad niya na yung jacket niya kasi nainitan siya. So, ito pa yung tira. First time kong gumawa ng beef. Pero mas gusto ko pa rin yung pork or chicken. But si Jan, nagustuhan niya to. Sabi niya, mas gusto niya raw yung beef. And ask Daddy to get the chopping board, Baba. Bag, chopping board na. And then the knife, please. Thank you. And ito yung pang-sealed namin. Tubig lang. Okay. Simulan namin to.
Go and get rid of it.
Alright. And if you can go to the house, just get that one, huh?
Well,
Yeah. Well, you're gonna drop all...
I got to do the horse. So,
Okay.
Ma, where's-
Gaano pa siya ng horse?
I found God on the side of the road in a two-door Chevy. When she was whispering softly in my ear, then screaming to hold the wheel steady, and I heard her, Lord, and she heard me, putting moments into a coffee cup to pour out like memories. Oh, 'cause after 18 years of waiting, dressed up with nowhere to go, well, I told some girl I loved her at the party after the show, and I kissed her, Lord, and she kissed me. We were just two kids who didn't know how much longer life could be. Oh, I loved her, I know she loved me, 'cause I was hopeless, I was helpless, I was such a sight to see. And that's a fine way to go. Oh, what a fine way to go.
Guys, I got the hang of it now.
Dami na namin nagawa. And Daddy's here.
Did you get the...
Got that.
Oh, you got sack already?
Right, have a look at this.
I can't.
What?
Just ask.
Oh, we just started up because we're not watching.
Holly's doing that's that.
What? Hi. You look tired. Marketplace, they have...
At
they
Big
have-
W.
Yeah, Big W. No, not Big W. Marketplace.
Come with me.
Madami pa rin nagawa. Na-pick up na ni John ng mga kids.
Have you cooked?
Not yet. We're gonna barbecue. We're waiting for Dad. But this one, we're not gonna cook the spring rolls. I'm just finished. We're just finishing wrapping it. We can put this in the freezer. Si John, mag-ano na siya? Mag-feed ng horse. Are you gonna help Daddy? Kailangan niya ng tubig. Nak! Ayan siya. Siya ang tumutulong kay Daddy. And si Holly.
Mommy, go get me another lid.
Lid for what?
Go get me another lid to the bucket.
Where is it?
Go get me another lid to the bucket.
Yeah, but Daddy needs water for the horse food. Here. Oh, wait, I have
Hold it.
I have to tie it.
Just hold it. Can you hold
Okay.
it, please?
It's gonna be, I cannot hold it. Okay, that's enough. It's heavy. I don't think so. This is enough.
Yes, it is.
No, for the
Yes, it
food.
is.
For the
Oh, yes, it is for the food.
Daddy wants.
Just, I
Daddy wants
know-
more.
I know how much. It's enough.
You sure? Just put more, please. So I'm not gonna come back. This is our farm life. Ayan. Yeah, okay, thank you. And ayan yung food ng horse.
Go get me another bucket. then.
Okay, I will. Thank you. Here. So what's wrong with this one?
Too small.
Ah, too small. How about this one? Because Saka said that's all you need. See, I told you, Saka. Ayan na yung kanyang bike. Okay, tapusin na namin to. Punta na sila dun sa horses. Wow! Malapit na kayo matapos. And eto yung tira kahapon. Instead na magbukas pa ako ng isa, gamitin ko na lang to. Well done, Baba. Oh, you get it now. Try to them. Ang galing niya na. Well, my love.
This might be my best one yet.
After all those.
Yep. I think we need more water.
No, we don't need Baba. It's
Yeah, we do,
alright.
because I can't dip it.
Oh, okay.
We just need a little. That's good. You just.
I don't wanna be something to prove, but just another postcard on the wall in your old bedroom. So when you say what you mean.
Here is what's wrong with your bike? Just tied it up. Tapos na siya magtulong kay Daddy. Baba, water now. You just had raspberry. Just have water. What do you don't like? The same. Well, get a water da. Kasi lasang ano pa yung tubig. Kahit nasa bottle water na sinasalin, yung taste niya kasi medyo ano, smell, lasa daw na, alam niyo yung pagbago ang appliances. Ayan. Okay. And ito, ilalagay ko sa freezer bag. So, ayan. So, meron ako ditong 38 pieces, mix ng maliit tsaka malaki. Dito naman, 30 pieces na yung malilit lang. Hindi ko na ito dadalhin sa bahay kasi pwede kami ditong magluto na. So, dito lang ito. Nag-start na pala siya mag-barbecue. Nandun ko sa labas ni Holly kasi nag-TikTok siya doon sa mga puno. And pinicturean ko din siya. At ayan yung dinner natin tonight. Scotch and risotto. And Daddy got the gravy.
And there's this much left.
Yeah, we have to buy more. Mom, look. What? Good? Yep. Wait for the gravy. The gravy is coming.
What's the light red light?
Good, yeah? Let me see ya. The cut. Wow. How about you, Saki? Nice? How about you, Baba? You want salad? You have to have salad. Noodles.
Sunlight on the sea reminds me of where we used to be. Your hair caught in the wind, like a sail, you're drifting far from me. In my mind, we're playing hide and seek, guiding me while the waves silence speak. You're gone, but still you're with me. You will always be my love. Always be my love. My love. My love. find a way. Or does it really matter? I better find a way in the dark. Echoes of your laughter, every silence wears your mark. You are in my blood, I'm pouring weak. You're hiding in the waves, you sigh and speak. You're gone but still you're with me. You will always be my love.
Try some school.
Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, yung ibang donuts, ibabaon nila kung gusto nila. And tomorrow, you're just gonna have salami sandwich?
You want more salami?
Yeah, I get salami.
I want.
The whole lot? Already? Oh, I think that was the one.
What about tear on the face?
Inaasar nila yung bunso. Okay. Dadalhin ko to sa bahay. Yeah. Doon ko to hugasan. Can I have ice cream, sir? Can you get me one, please?
Oh, when will I get one?
Can you, come on. Sayang nito. Lagay ko ulit sa ref. Okay, we'll bring this at home. Doon ko siya hugasan. Are you having one?
Yeah.
Oh, you already have that. Kuya, now you already have that one?
Nice one.
Okay.
4K 60.
And tingnan niyo kung gaano ka-bright dito.
I like a brown. Yeah.
So cool.
Yes.
Hati kami ni Jan, hindi ko tumawag. Busog na ako. But, sabi ko mag-cheese platter kami kanina, hindi na nagawa. Nice, no? Ang sarap nito. Kinuha lang namin yung mini. Pag sobrang laki, hindi
Small, doesn't it?
Han, push that plate, please. Okay. So, ayan na yung aking mga huhugasan. And nandito yung bread, tsaka donuts. Naglalaro pa sila. And dito, malinis. And ito yung binild ni Kuya kahapon. Sila ni Daddy, kagabi. Ayan. And ito, hindi ko na aalisin yung asin, chicken powder, and pepper. Diyan na yan. And yung sugar natin na stevia. And datu puti, dahil nag-ano ko kahapon, di ba? Nagpansit and yung ating oil. Yan. So, ito yung ating pan-cheese platter next time na to. Okay. And dito, malinis. Yung mga bata. Oh, you got 3 balls. So, para wala nang away. Kuya, what are you doing? Ang cute nila. Hoy! And, ayan, bukas nilinisan niya ni Jan. Tinakpan niya na yung TV. That looks nice. It's alright. Okay, uwi na kami. So, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Yun na natin yung vlog. Yun na, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next. Next. Hoy! The next vlog. Let's go. We're go. Naligo na yan si Sak. Okay, we're going na, guys. Bye. Ha? Hindi ko pa pala napakita sa inyo yung labas paggabi. Ito, ang liwanag. Ayan. And ayun yung mga ilaw sa fence. Yung solar. Ayan. doon, yung dalawang, hindi ko alam kung makikita yung dalawang solar doon sa my gate. But yeah, ganito yung itsura niya sa gabi. So yan na yung ating update dito sa farm. Day and night. And ayun, meron din doon. Okay, shutting all the lights. Okay guys, good night. Yung mga cows nandun. So, hugasan yung ating mga plates na ginamit sa farm. So, bukas ibabalik ni Jan ang mga yan doon. Yan na yung mga baso. And lahat yan, except dito. Tsaka dito. Yan. Yan. Eto. May iwan dito sa bahay. At saka eto. The rest, sa farm. Eto. Dito rin to, sa bahay. See you na guys. Maliligo na tayo. Good night. See you next time. Si Holly naliligo na. Si Kuya nakaligo na. Ako na lang.
Time